A merchant claims to make a profit of 12.5% on his sales, but actually makes 25% by using false weights. When he professes to sell 1 kilogram, how much does he actually sell? Right? I used to hate these questions, but I think now I'm getting better at them. So I'm going to solve this using first principle, very basic ideas, and then we'll build from there. He claims to make 12.5%. So forget what he's claiming. He makes 25%. That means if he's buying at a cost price of C, he's actually making 1.25 C at the end of it. Keep that in mind. Forget the 12.5% for the time being. Right? I'm going to capture this and then build from there. We sells at 1.25 cost price. If cost price is C, then selling price is 1.25 C. That much we know. Whatever the cost price is, whatever money he puts in, he gets 1.25 times that. Let us assume the price at which he buys to be rupees X per kilogram. His selling price point is 1.125 X per kilogram. Right? Because he's selling 12 and he's claiming to sell only this, makes a profit of only 12.5%. So he's saying he's selling only at this point, but this translates to a 25% price point. So he's buying at rupees X per kilogram, selling at 1.125 X per kilogram, but making a profit of 25%. That's what this is all about. He's buying at rupees X per kilogram, selling at 1.125 X per kilogram, and making a profit of 25%. Right? How much does he actually sell? Now, when he professes to sell 1 kilogram, that means he's selling 1 kilogram. He's making this much money. Let's assume how much does he actually sell? Assume he sells Y kilograms. Right? That means he's bought only that and he's selling this much. Right? So, his total cost would be X into Y. His total selling price realization will be 1.125x into 1. He actually sells only Y kilogram, that's not only he has bought, but he sells at the rate of 1.125x for 1 kilogram. He pads the kilogram, he pads the price, both he does, remember that. So X into Y, and this is 1.125x. This transaction makes him a profit of 25%, or 1.25 times X into Y is 1.125 times X. You're done. X gets knocked off. Y equals 1.125 by 1.25, or Y is 9 by 10, or Y is 9/10 of a kilogram, or it is just 900 grams. He buys 900 grams. He claims to sell 1000 grams, but he's only passing off this 900 grams to kilogram. If he buys it for 100, he claims to sell it at 11250 per, that is 12.5% higher price, 112.5 rupees, but he actually makes 25% profit because he spent only 90 rupees buying it. Right? So doing it from first principles deliberately so that you get this idea very well, and then you can plug in formulae and shortcuts and all that later on. But the concept here is buying some amount and selling at 12.5% higher price point, but he makes 25% profit because he's not buying 1 kilogram, he's actually buying less than that. He's professing to sell 1 kilogram, but he's selling less than that. How much lesser? That's what we find by computing.